Can websites still track me when using incognito mode?
Hey there! Welcome to our video where we'll be diving into the question, can websites still track me when using incognito mode? If you've ever wondered whether your online activities are truly private when you switch to incognito mode, then stick around, because we're about to explore the ins and outs of this browsing feature.
Understanding incognito mode.
To answer this question, it's important to understand what incognito mode is and what it does. When you open a new incognito window in your web browser, it typically creates a separate browsing session that doesn't retain certain information like cookies, browsing history, and temporary files. This can be useful if you want to prevent others who may have access to your device from seeing your browsing activities.
What incognito mode doesn't do?
While incognito mode provides some level of privacy, it's essential to note that it doesn't make you completely anonymous or invisible to websites and online tracking. Here are a few key points to consider. Cookies and tracking websites can still use cookies to track your activities even in incognito mode. Cookies are small files that store information about your browsing behavior and preferences. While incognito mode may not save these cookies on your device, websites can still use them to track your sessions and gather data. IP address and location. Your IP address is a unique identifier assigned to your device by your internet service provider. Incognito mode doesn't hide your IP address, which means websites can still see your general location and potentially track your online activities based on your IP address. Internet service provider, ISP. Tracking. Your internet service provider can still monitor your online activities even when you're in incognito mode. While the websites you visit may not have a record of your browsing history, your ISP can still see the websites you access and the data exchanged between your device and those sites. Browser fingerprinting. Websites can use browser fingerprinting techniques to identify your device even when you're using incognito mode. These techniques analyze various parameters, such as your browser version, installed plugins, screen resolution, and more, to create a unique fingerprint for your device. This fingerprint can be used to track your activities across different websites.
Additional steps for privacy.
If you're concerned about online tracking and want to take additional steps to enhance your privacy, here are a few suggestions. Virtual private networks, VPNs. Using a virtual private network, or VPN, can help mask your IP address and encrypt your internet traffic. This provides an additional layer of privacy and makes it harder for websites and other entities to track your online activities. Consider using a reputable VPN service to enhance your privacy when browsing the web. Browser privacy settings and extensions. Many web browsers offer privacy settings and extensions that can help block tracking cookies, disable JavaScript, and provide additional protection against online tracking. Explore your browser's privacy settings and consider installing privacy-focused extensions to further enhance your privacy while browsing. Clearing cookies and data regularly. Clearing your browsing history, cookies, and other temporary data can help mitigate the accumulation of tracking information. Make it a habit to clear your browser data to reduce the traces of your online activities. In conclusion, while incognito mode provides some level of privacy by not retaining certain information locally on your device, it's important to be aware that websites can still track you to some extent. Websites can track your activities using cookies, browser fingerprinting, and your IP address, and your internet service provider can still monitor your online activities. If you're concerned about privacy, consider using a VPN.